Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable attention aware features on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Next, go down and tap on Face ID and attention. In here, tap on attention aware features. So tap on that button. Once you tap on that button, you need to enter the passcode. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on. To turn it off, just simply tap on the button and then put in your screen passcode to turn it off. And I said that for this feature, iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display, expanding a notification when locked, or lowering the volume of some alerts. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.